Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious chicken and shrimp fettuccine alfredo with peppers recipe. It's so creamy, very flavorful and easy to make. Let's get started. We're going to start by cooking some fettuccine pasta in salted boiling water. We're cooking the fettuccine according to package instruction. When the fettuccine has finished cooking, make sure you drain and set aside for later. Meanwhile, we're going to season some shrimp and chicken with some Cajun seasoning. I'm going to pour a generous amount of the Cajun seasoning onto my shrimp and also the chicken. Go ahead and coat the shrimp very well in the Cajun seasoning. Then do the same for the chicken. By the way, you can use any part of the chicken for this recipe. I'm using chicken tenders. Once everything has been mixed in very well, we're going to start cooking. Heat up a pan over medium-high heat, then drizzle in some olive oil. Once the oil gets very hot, toss in the shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 1.5 minutes on one side, then turn them over and cook for another 1.5 minutes on the other side. Once the shrimp has finished cooking, go ahead and take them out of the pan, then set them aside for later. Drizzle a little bit of oil in the pan, then toss in the chicken. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes or until it turns golden brown, then take it out of the pan and set aside for later. Next, we're going to melt some butter in the pan. As soon as the butter has melted, we're going to add some diced onion and sliced red and yellow bell peppers. Season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything together and cook for about 3 minutes to release their flavors. Add some freshly minced garlic. Cook the garlic for 30 seconds to get flavorful, then add a mixture of heavy cream and whole milk. Add some shredded Parmesan cheese, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything together, then we're going to let the sauce cook and simmer for about 2 minutes until it thickens. As soon as the sauce has thickened, we're going to add the cooked fettuccine. Next, we're going to add the cooked chicken and shrimp, then toss everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to freshen the flavor and finish everything off with some freshly chopped parsley. Then you're going to turn off your heat, cover the pan, and allow the noodles to sit and soak in the sauce for 5 minutes. Make sure the heat is turned off, okay guys? After the noodles have soaked in the sauce will become thicker and now food is ready to be enjoyed. This shrimp and chicken fettuccine alfredo recipe came out so delicious and flavorful. The shrimp and chicken pair so good together with the creamy fettuccine and peppers. Everything came out very delicious. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.